Well, guys, welcome to InfraWeb Marketing. Well, in the next session, we are going to elaborate on the second stage, second part of the YouTube editing part. That is, in the last part, we done the YouTube marketing video channel setup and optimization part. We have just started. So, in the upcoming session, we will be elaborating on further on how to rank the videos, how to create quality backlink for your videos, that is off-page optimization for your YouTube marketing. We already elaborated earlier the on-page part a little bit. So further we will first complete the on-page optimization part because more topics are there to be discussed, like how to optimize the meta tags, how to optimize the title tags, and lot of other stuffs are there. So we will be declaring that in our next session. And our next session we will be taking on Sunday for Tidib and Manish batch, and the another batch of the YouTube marketing for Mr. Day we will start at tomorrow. So tomorrow we will be elaborating more on that, and also on the Sunday batch we will be uh, continuing with the same session, that is YouTube marketing. Actually, YouTube marketing is a vast subject. It is itself a specialization. So if you guys can learn YouTube marketing in a proper way, then you will get lot of jobs opportunities over there in Fiverr, in website like Fiverr and other job sites like Odex, Upwork. In all of there, you will find lot of promotion projects on YouTube marketing. In fact, we can offer marketing support to all local business for YouTube marketing. And right now at InfraWeb, we are actually offering multiple services to clients on YouTube marketing and social media marketing as a combo. So in the latter section of our class, we will be discussing how to combine the social media marketing with the YouTube marketing process. So I'm sorry, what social media actually do? Social media marketing actually give a boost up to your YouTube marketing campaign. So once you complete the on-page optimization process, the next stage we will elaborate on the on-page off-page optimization process. That is how to create backlinks for your YouTube videos, and apart from that, how to viral that particular video over all across social media, including Facebook. I hope you understand. So, including Facebook, how Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Delicious.com, all the social sites are available for us for the promotion. So, in the last and final stage of our YouTube marketing class, we will be learning how to combo the social media marketing with YouTube marketing, so that our YouTube videos get massive boost up for marketing purpose and receive lot of views and subscribers as well. So in that stage you will also learn how to increase your YouTube channel subscribers, right? That is very much important for the branding of your YouTube channel, because each of the videos, if you can increase the views, automatically the channel subscriber will increase. But there is also a process, total process of increasing your channel on white hat SEO methods. By applying white hat SEO methods, we can deliberately increase the subscribers of our YouTube channel. So in the next session we are going to elaborate in all these stuffs. So the only request is that whatever video you guys have already received, whatever updates you are receiving on your WhatsApp, kindly follow that instructions very well. and please install all the videos on your system immediately without any further uh, delay. So without any further delay, you just install all the videos, okay, and kindly practice all the stuff that we have till now elaborated on our last sessions, so that there should not be any doubt. Because if there is any doubt, then let me know, because that should be cleared first. Because without clearing the basic concept, we cannot move further. So without clearing the basic concept, we cannot move further. So it is very important for you guys to practice regularly whatever been elaborated, and in the class sessions, on the live class session, what has been elaborated, you must be practicing on spot after the session, so that you don't forget all those instructions, right? So in our next session, we are going to discuss the off-page optimization part of the video marketing, and also the remaining part of the on-page video optimization part that we are still yet to elaborate. Okay, so that's all for you guys. For be subscribe our channel, and people who are listening here, let me know that if you have any kind of requirements regarding YouTube marketing course or digital marketing course, or if you want to make a lucrative career on digital marketing, then let us know. InfraWeb Marketing is always there to help you in every aspect. InfraWeb Marketing is basically, we are one of the premier SEO and digital marketing service provider from the city of Joy, Kolkata, and we are operating in this industry for the last 5 years basically. Until now, we have served more than 35 clients across India, 35 companies across India in various niche, starting from film industry to corporate world to IT sector, to everyone, to small business owners, local business owners from across India, including from the city of Joy, Kolkata. So what we do actually here is, actually we are sharing all our experience, whatever experience we are gaining every day while serving our clients, we are actually sharing that to our students here in our session. So each of the session that we are taking online is very much important and carry a much value, because all the content that is being elaborated on the video is very much essential for the practice session, for learning the concepts of the digital marketing, for learning the concepts of YouTube marketing, for learning the concepts of video marketing strategies. And apart from the course syllabus, we discuss a lot other factors also, like we also discuss live case studies on various aspects of YouTube marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing. So in one session, we discuss lot of other stuff rather than our subjects. Okay, so that what makes us differ from the competition. Here we give one-to-one attention to all our students, so that none of them miss any session, or even they miss any session, they get makeup on regular basis. All our videos plus live class recording videos are there in YouTube, so our students can easily access that, okay, at any point of time. So to all my students, it's my humble request to go through regularly whatever session you have uh, completed till now. Don't forget to mug up every day, unless what will happen, you will tends to forget the earlier part, because once we start moving to the advanced part, if you don't practice the basic part, what will happen, you will tend to forget those initial chapters. And if you forget those initial chapters, what will happen, you will face lot of problem in implementing. In the practical implementation, you will face lot of problem, right? So the only solution is practice, practice, and practice. Without practice, you will never become perfect. Practice makes the man perfect. It's a proverb. It's a very popular proverb, guys. Practice makes the man perfect. So practice is the practice. There is no alternative to practice. Okay, so meet you on the next session very soon. So that's all for the time now. So if you have any problem in understanding any chapter, any subjects or any concepts, then we are always online in our WhatsApp number 9477 So if you face any kind of problem, you can directly call me on that number or directly WhatsApp me regarding your problem, and definitely as per my knowledge I will try my best to solve that problem. Okay, that's all for the presentation right now. So see you guys on the next session very soon. Cheers till now.